Mouse.
Oh, it's recording. Right, okay, so here we go. Question 5. It's a curve of the equation which satisfies d to the y by the x squared is 3x minus a half. Now, you know, we should be doing this, shouldn't we? When we're writing questions, we should be writing down what the question's telling us at the start. So we've got that in the question, but look, we've also been told other bits of valuable information. We're told that the point P41 lies on the curve, so that's something good to know. But also, at that point, the gradient of the curve is 5. That's important as well, isn't it? We're going to need to use that as well. So, we know if d to y by the x squared equals that, it has gradient of dy by the x equals 5 at the point 41. That's what the question has told us. That's kind of putting that information together. Right. If we've got the second derivative, you must have differentiated to get that. So dy by the x must be the integral of 3x minus a half dx. So we integrate that. Most of you did this right. You add 1 to the power, which gives you a half. You divide by the new power, and you put in the constant of integration. So here we've got 3x and a half divided by a half, which is 6x and a half plus c. That's great, that's 2 marks already. But at this point, we have to use our bit of information, because we know that when x is 4, dy by the x is 5. If x equals 4, dy by the x equals 5. So that means that 5 is 6 times 4 to the half plus c. 4 to the half is 2, so that's 5 is 12 plus c. So c is minus 7. So the kind of midway point in this question is we get to say that dy by dx is 6x to the half minus 7. It's really important to have worked out c at that point and to have that value in there. Because of course the next thing we do is we're going to integrate again, and we're going to integrate that 7 as part of it. So we had to know what it was. So the next thing is that y is the integral of 6x to the half minus 7 with respect to x. So we're going to add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. Now of course 7, when you integrate it, goes to 7x. So we integrate 7x. And we've just integrated again, so we need another constant of integration. Now, because you've already found out C and kind of forgotten about it, it's okay if you use C again. I think for completeness I'm going to use a different letter just to make it clear that it's a different constant of integration at this point. This is what y equals now. We're nearly there. 6 divided by 1.5 is 4. And of course we're now back to using the other bit of information that the question gave us at the start, which was when x is 4, y equals 1. So 1 is 4 times 4 to the 3 over 2, take 7 4s plus k. 4 to the 3 over 2, that means square root and then cube. So square root is 2, cube is 8. 4 8 is 32. Take away 28 plus k. We've got 1 is 4 plus k, so k is minus 3. And that's it. That's the whole thing done. Y equals 4x, 3 over 2, minus 7x, minus 3. It was quite a lot of marks to get in one go. And if you didn't find out C early on, didn't realise that you already had the gradient, so if you worked on C, then you kind of got a bit stuck partway through. Okay? And that's maths.